Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. Today I was just messing around in the shop and I'm tripping over stuff all the time because there's just materials laying everywhere. Some because I'm working on framing parts of this, and some because I have steel for the plasma table. And when I had that old barn that I tore down, I had metal storage up in the rafters there. It kind of came to a point where I needed to just take some time, work on the shop, and get some material storage put together. So one of the projects was this nice steel rack, and it'll let me I've got some sheets of plywood, so I can stack plywood in here. I can get any sheets of steel that are full length and height over here and just piece it all together. The second project, or actually this was the third project, so the second project was the overhead storage for long materials, and I can use my forklift to get most of the way up there to load and unload them. So continuing in the reverse order of introducing these, this is the first project that I completed this week, and you'll see in the video. And basically it's just a vertical rack. I've got enough storage here to probably get up 8 to 9 feet. Anything taller than that needs to go in the overhead storage. So I think the last item that I'm going to do is add a safety chain to wrap maybe up at the 5-6 foot height here around these taller items, just so they can't move around so much. But with this remesh wire on here, gives nice little compartments, helps you keep things sorted. And then I added a little bit of rebar down here at the bottom as just a cage for some of the stuff that's not quite this high. And then I have a couple of buckets over here on the back side, just full of short pieces of scrap metal. The problem with those is I would need 5 buckets to hold all the scrap metal I tend to get, because I'm not real good at throwing any useful metal away. So it collects, and I dig out of it every now and then, but probably not often enough to make it worth having as much as I have. So that's the short story about what you're going to see in this week's video. It's just me assembling these different racks and how I get them put together, and then loading some of the steel up there overhead. So. I hope that was all at least somewhat entertaining, watching me get these racks built. And it is time consuming, you know, even it's all old scrap metal that I had taken from other projects, leftover pieces, and really my racks were already starting to fill up until I started making the third rack over here. So that kind of cleared out a lot of it and gave me a great place to start storing some of this sheet metal that just piles up, because I'll get a project and need, you know, 2 foot by 3 foot of 1/4 inch material. Well, it's always cheaper to buy the full sheet. So I buy the full sheet, have it sheared to roughly the pipe sizes I'm going to need, and throw it up on the plasma table or whatever I'm going to be doing with it. That's how all this stuff gets collected. The overhead storage is going to be awesome, because I had so much metal just laying on the floor between these vehicles, and you're tripping over it and falling over it, and it's just not a safe working environment. That's it for this week. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. I'm Jeff Allison. I'll see you next week on Allison Customs Project Car TV.